The topic what we are going to see today here is logarithmic differentiation. Okay, so here logarithmic differentiation. So logarithmic, first we'll go over to these logarithmic rules and then we'll go over to this logarithmic differentiation part here. So here what are the logarithmic rules you would have studied in your lower classes? That's what I have written here. So here in this case, what are the logarithmic rules you have here? Log of m power n. So the power rule, what will you get? It will be written as n into log m. Log of m into n. What is log of m into n? It is equal to log m plus log n you will get. Okay, so here it's equal to log m plus log n. What is log of m by n? It is equal to log m minus log n you get here. So it is equal to log m minus log n. So these are the three basic, what is it here? Logarithmic rules which you would have studied in your lower classes. Now coming to our logarithmic differentiation topic here. Why do we use logarithmic differentiation? Suppose you have a function as y equal to u of x the whole power v of x. That is, if you have it as y equal to x power x. Got it? So if you have it as y equal to x power x in this case, how will you differentiate it? You know what is differentiation of x power n, but you do not know what is differentiation of x power x. How will you differentiate this one? So I'll have to apply log both sides, and then by using any one of these three rules I'll simplify it and write and then differentiate it with respect to x. Okay, so here if you see, you've got it as log y is equal to log u of x the whole power v of x you have here, which is equal to v of x into log of u of x. This is what you have here. Okay, log of m power n, it is equal to n log m. So here you write it as v of x into log of u of x you have. Okay, is it clear to all of you? So here based on this part only we are going to do the exercise here, exercise 5.5. So the next one, we'll start with exercise 5.5 here. So what is this exercise 5.5? You've got differentiated with respect to x you have here. So y equal to cos x cos 2x into cos 3x. This is what you have here. Y equal to cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. There are two methods to do this one. One is you'll have to use a trigonometric formula and expanding it. So that method I'll rule it out now because we are using only the logarithmic rule here. So here applying log both sides. Okay, so applying log both sides is the first step you do here. Log y is equal to, so what will I write here? Log of, here in this case you have it as log y is equal to log of cos x into cos 2x into, what will I get here? It's nothing but cos 3x. This is what you get here. Okay, so here log of cos x, cos 2x into cos 3x you get here. Now this one log of mn, I told you here log of mn can be written as what? Log m plus log n. This is how you write here, log m plus log n. So here if you see, you can write it as log of cos x plus log of cos 2x plus log of cos 3x. This is how you write here. Got it? Now differentiating it with respect to x. So differentiating it with respect to x, what will you get here? When you differentiate log y, so here y is said to be a function of x. Remember the implicit part what we did? It's 1 by y into dy by dx you get. So it's 1 by y into dy by dx equal to, what is differentiation of log cos x? It is 1 by cos x into d by dx of cos x you have here. Okay, we are using the chain rule here. 1 by cos x into d by dx of cos x plus log of cos 2x. What is log of cos 2x? Differentiation of this one, 1 by cos 2x into d by dx of cos 2x you have. Got it? Plus, what's the next one here? Differentiation of log cos 3x. What is differentiation of log x here? It's 1 by x. So you write it as 1 by cos 3x into d by dx of cos 3x. Got it? Now you know what is d by dx of cos x. What is that? It's nothing but minus sin x. What is d by dx of cos 2x when you differentiate? How do you write it actually here? It is minus sin 2x into d by dx of, what will I get here? It's nothing but 2x. You understood? That's why I write it as minus sin 2x into 2. Okay, here this is how, again we are applying the chain rule. So if at all, okay, I'll just tell you a trick here. If at all you have it as cos ax or cos 3x or something like that, what you'll have to do here is just differentiate it. Minus sin 2x into the coefficient of x you'll have to write here. Okay, so have that in mind. I mean, if you don't remember the chain rule, it's okay. Same way here also, when you differentiate this, what will you get? Minus sine 3x into this coefficient of x. This applies only for trigonometric functions here. So into 3. This is how you will have to do here. So here it's 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to 1 by cos x into differentiation of cos x is what? Minus sin x plus 1 by cos 2x into differentiation of cos 2x is what? Minus sin 2x into 2 you get here, plus 1 by cos 3x into differentiation of this is what? Minus sin 3x into 3. Just now I explained how you get that. Okay, so your dy by dx is equal to, cross multiplying this, don't forget to do that. It's y into minus sin x by cos x minus 2 sin 2x by cos 2x minus 3 sin 3x divided by cos 3x you get. So here you know what is your y. What's your y here? It's nothing but the question. So it's cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x into minus tan x minus 2 tan 2x minus 3 tan 3x you get. So how do I write it here? It's minus sign, I'll just take it outside here, minus cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x into tan x plus 2 tan 2x plus 3 tan 3x. So it's very simple. First step is to apply log. Okay, so when you apply log, just check which logarithmic rule you are using here, and then you will have to expand it by using the logarithmic rule, and after that you will have to differentiate it. The last step, always don't forget to cross multiply this y and write in terms of x here. Don't just leave it with, what is it here, 1 by y into dy by dx. Don't leave with that part here. You'll have to cross multiply and then do it. Got it? Yes. Now here we'll go over to the second question. What's the second question? Y equal to square root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. So this is one question where what is it here? Doing by logarithmic rule, it will be easy for you here. So how I am going to apply the logarithmic rule, you just check. First of all, the square root I can write it as the whole power, half I can write it. Okay. Now we'll apply log both sides and I will eliminate this one here. So when I eliminate it, what will I get here? Log y is equal to log of x minus 1 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5, the whole power half. This is what you have here. Now this is equal to, what will happen here? It's nothing but half into, okay. What is the rule I use here? It's nothing but log of m power n is equal to n log m. This is what you have here, okay. It is equal to n log m. So how do you write it here? It's 1 by 2 log of x minus 1 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. This is what you have here. Got it? So here you have applied the logarithmic power rule. What is the next rule you will have to do here? Log of a by b. What is log of a by b here? Log of m by n. What is log of m by n equal to? Log m minus, what will you get here? It's nothing but log n. This is what you have here. So I will write it as log of x minus 1 into x minus 2 minus log of x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. Now here what is the formula I will be using here after this? It's log of mn is equal to log m plus log n. This is the formula here. The product rule we will be using in this case, logarithmic product rule. So how can I write it as log of x minus 1 plus log of x minus 2 I will have minus of, here again it will be log of x minus 3 plus log of x minus 4 plus log of x minus 5. So in this problem itself, if you say I have used all the three rules here. You understand? Okay. So do it step by step here. First take off the power by using the power rule here. After that, this one here, the u by v, that's this one here, by using log of m by n. After that only I'll be going over to this multiplication part here, and then we'll split it. So here you can write it as half into log of x minus 1 plus log of x minus 2 minus of log of x minus 3 plus log of x minus 4 plus log of x minus 5. Now when you multiply it, you will have it as 1 by 2 into log of x minus 1 plus log of x minus 2 minus log of x minus 3 minus log of x minus 4 minus log of x minus 5. Okay, so here this is what you have here. Got it? Now we'll differentiate it with respect to x. So when I differentiate in the left hand side, what have you got here? It's log y. When you differentiate it, you will have it as 1 by y into dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 into differentiation of log x minus 1. What will you have? 1 by x minus 1 plus, okay, log of x minus 2. What will you get? 1 by x minus 2 minus differentiation of log of x minus 3. What is it? 1 by x minus 3. What is the formula you have here? Differentiation of log x you get here, that is equal to 1 by x. This is what you have here. Got it? So it's 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5. This is what you have here. Now when I cross multiply this, you will have it as y by 2. What is your y? Your y is nothing but your question itself. So you can write it as 1 by 2 into square root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5 into 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5. You understood here? So it's a very simple question, a simple one here. Only thing is apply the log correctly there, and then you will have to differentiate it with respect to x. This exercise is very important. You will get a 4-mark question from this exercise here. Exercise 5.4. Got it? Yes, sorry, 5.5. Now the fourth question. What's the fourth question here? X bar x equal to 2 bar sin x. You will have to differentiate it again with respect to x here. So what I am going to do here is, I'll just rearrange it a little here. You have got it as x bar x is equal to 2 bar sin x. I'll just give a name to it and write it as y equal to, taking it to the other side, you have it as x bar x minus 2 bar sin x. Got it? Now here again you have difference of two terms you have here. So in this case it's not possible for me to apply log directly. So what I am going to do here is, I am going to use substitution and split it as two parts, and then finally we'll do it, subtract it. So u is equal to x bar x and your v is equal to 2 bar sin x. So what is your u y equal to here? Y is equal to u minus v. Now if I need to find out dy by dx, what is your dy by dx here? It is equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. You understood? Okay. So here in case you have two terms, this is how you will have to split, and then you will have to apply log both sides. Don't apply it in a straightly first step itself. Don't apply log here. You will have to split it, and then only you will have to apply log. Got it? So u equal to x bar x. Okay, I have taken the first part. Okay, so when you take the first part, what will you do here? I told you in the beginning of this chapter itself, sorry, the exercise itself, it's x bar x. So if you got it as x bar x, what will you do? You will have to take log both sides. So when you take log both sides, what will you get? Log u is equal to log of x power x. So what's the formula you use here? Log of m power n is equal to n into log m. This is what you get here. So how do you write it here? You will write it as x into log x. This is what you have here. Okay, it is equal to x into log x. Now differentiating it with respect to x. So what is differentiating it with respect to x? What will you get? Differentiation of log u. What is differentiation of log u? 1 by u into du by dx. Don't forget to differentiate your u. Okay, because u is a function of x there. Got it? So you will have to write it as du by dx equal to, so what formula will be using here? uv formula. So what is your d by dx of uv? What will I have here? d by dx of uv is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. This is the formula you have here. u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Now differentiate it with respect to x. So what will I get? It is equal to x into differentiation of this is what? 1 by x plus log x into differentiation of x is nothing but 1. So here by now you should have been used to this product rule here. So that's why I am not writing it as d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of x. I am just omitting one step here. Okay, because you must be used to this step here. So once again I will repeat it. U into, that is x into differentiation of log x. That's nothing but 1 by x plus log x into differentiation of x. What is that? It's nothing but 1. Got it? Now you cross multiply here. Du by dx is equal to u into this x and x, it gets cancelled here. So you are left with 1 plus log x. Now what is your u here? Your u is nothing but equal to x power x itself. Okay, it is equal to x power x. That's a question itself. So we'll just substitute it here. So you have found out du by dx. So one part is over. Got it? Now we'll go over to the second part here. What is the second part? You get b equal to 2 power sin x. So taking again log both sides, what will you get? Log b is equal to log 2 power sin x. By now you would have been used to it. Log of m power n is what? N log m. So you will have it as sin x into log 2. Now what do you think of this log 2 here? This log 2 is nothing but a constant value. Just like writing 2 sin x, we have it as log 2 into sin x. This is what you have here. Got it? Now differentiate it with respect to x. When you differentiate it with respect to x, what will you get? Log v. So what is differentiation of log v here? 1 by v into dv by dx is equal to log 2 into differentiation of sin x. What is differentiation of sin x here? It's nothing but cos x. This is what you have here. Got it? Log 2 into differentiation of sin x, what will you get? It's just cos x. It's like differentiating 2 sin x. How will you differentiate it? 2 cos x you will write. The same thing, only we have it here. Now cross multiply this v here. You will have it as v into log 2 into cos x. Now what is your v here? Your v is nothing but 2 power sin x. Okay, maybe I'll write it again here. It is 2 power sin x, 2 power sin x into log 2 cos x. Now we'll write what is your dy by dx. What is your dy by dx equal to? It is equal to, you know what is du by dx. It's x power x into 1 plus log x minus your dv by dx is what? 2 power sin x into log 2 cos x. You understood here? So this is the working rule for logarithmic differentiation. When you have sum of two values, okay, with powers, with power of variables, suppose you have it as power x or something like that, this is the working rule you have here. So always split it and don't apply log directly here. The fifth question, again you'll have to differentiate it with respect to x here. It's given as x plus 3 the whole squared into x plus 4 the whole cube into x plus 5 the whole power 4. So seeing it is as it is itself, it's very difficult for us to expand it and then differentiate it with respect to x. So what will you do here? Take y is equal to x plus 3 the whole squared into x plus 4 the whole cube into x plus 5 the whole power 4. This is what you have here. Now applying log both sides. Okay, so we'll do the as usual part here. So you will have it as log y is equal to log of x plus 3 the whole squared into x plus 4 the whole cube into x plus 5 the whole power 4. This is what you get here. So what will you get? Log of mn is what? It is equal to log m plus log n. So how do you write it here? It is equal to log of x plus 3 the whole squared plus log of x plus 4 the whole cube plus log of x plus 5 the whole power 4. So in this case, if you see, I cannot apply the logarithmic power rule straight away here. First I will have to apply this rule, only then I can apply the logarithmic power rule. You understood? Okay. So here now I will be applying what rule here? Log of m power n is equal to n log m. This is what you will have to apply. So how do I write it here? 2 into log of x plus 3 plus 3 into log of x plus 4 plus 4 into log of x plus 5. This is what you have here. So your first step is over. You have applied log and then you have simplified it. What's the next one you will have to do here? Differentiate it with respect to x. Now when you differentiate your left hand side here, what is that log y you get here? So what will I have? 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to differentiation of 2 log of x plus 3. What is it? 2 by x plus 3. What is differentiation of log x? Once again a reminder here. So differentiation of log x is what? It is equal to 1 by x you will get. So here differentiation of log of x plus 4 is what? 1 by x plus 4. So you have it as 3 by x plus 4 plus differentiation of 4 into log of x plus 5. So what will you get? 4 by x plus 5. This is what you have here. So what is your dy by dx is equal to, cross multiplying it, you will have it as y into 2 by x plus 3 plus 3 by x plus 4 plus 4 by x plus 5. This is what you have here. Got it? Now what is your y equal to here? Your y is nothing but the question itself. So you will write it as x plus 3 the whole squared into x plus 4 the whole cube into x plus 5 the whole power 4 into 2 by x plus 3 plus 3 by x plus 4 plus 4 by x plus 5. This is what you have here. Got it? Okay. So here you understood how to do it. Okay, a very simple one only. Got it? Okay, now we'll do the sixth one here. It is x plus 1 by x the whole power x plus x power x plus 1 by x. So again I just give a name to it. So I told you whether it is sum or difference. What is the first step you'll have to do here? Just write it as y equal to u plus v, where your u is nothing but this and your v is nothing but this function here. So how do I write my dy by dx in this case here? Dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. This is what you have here. So here your v is equal to x power x plus 1 by x, applying log both sides. So when I apply log both sides, what will I get? Log v is equal to log x power x plus 1 by x you get. So here this is equal to, again I will be using logarithmic power rule here. Log of m power n is equal to n log m. This is what you have here. So how do I write this as? You can write it as x plus 1 by x into log x you have here. X plus 1 by x into log x. Now differentiating it with respect to x. So differentiating it with respect to x, what will you get here? This is nothing but u and this is nothing but v here, because you have it as x plus 1 by x into log x. Two different functions you have. So when I differentiate it, log v is what? 1 by v into dv by dx is equal to x plus 1 by x. Okay, it is x plus 1 by x into differentiation of log x. Again, what's the formula here? If you want, I'll just write it here. Du, here again it is uv is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. This is the formula you have here. Got it? So here it is x plus 1 by x into differentiation of log x. What is that? It's nothing but 1 by x plus log x into differentiation of x plus 1 by x. What is differentiation of x? That's nothing but 1. What is differentiation of 1 by x? That's nothing but minus 1 divided by x squared. So you're left with 1 minus 1 by x squared. Now we'll simplify it. What will I get? When I cross multiply, it's x squared plus 1 divided by x into 1 by x plus log x into, again here when you cross multiply, it is x squared minus 1 divided by x squared. So here you're left with, when I cross multiply this v, you're left with dv by dx is equal to v into x squared plus 1 divided by x into x is what? X squared plus log x into x squared minus 1 divided by x squared. This is what you have here. So what is your v here? It's nothing but x power x plus 1 by x into x squared minus 1 divided by x squared plus log x into x squared minus 1 divided by x squared. So now you can write what is your dy by dx. So what is your dy by dx equal to here? Actually your dy by dx is nothing but equal to x plus 1 by x the whole power x into x squared minus 1 divided by x squared plus 1 plus log of, what will I get here? X plus 1 by x you get here. Okay, plus what is your dv by dx? What will you get here? It is x power x plus 1 by x into x squared plus 1 divided by x squared plus log x into x squared minus 1 divided by x squared. This is what you have here. So this is your dy by dx. Finally you will sum up both there, du by dx plus dv by dx. You understood? So if you have sum of two terms, the first step is to split and write and then apply log both sides. Okay, so that is one step you will have to remember always. Got it? Okay. Now here we'll go over to the seventh question. So what's your seventh question here? Log x the whole power x plus x power log x. Again you have sum of two terms here. So see how I've written y equal to, I've just given a name to it, y equal to log x the whole power x plus x power log x you have written. What is your u equal to? Log x the whole power x. What's your v equal to? X power log x. This is what you have here. So I can write y is equal to u plus v. Okay, so here we write it as y equal to u plus v. What is your dy by dx equal to? Du by dx plus dv by dx. This is what you have here. Got it? Now here your u equal to log x the whole power x. This is what you have here. U equal to log x the whole power x. So how can I differentiate it with respect to x? Only by applying log both sides, because it's a variable power a variable you've got. So here we'll apply log both sides. So you have it as log u is equal to log x the whole power x. Applying log both sides, log u is equal to log of log x the whole power x. So I can write log of m power n to be equal to n log m. This is how you can write here. Now this is equal to x into log of log x. This is what you have here, okay, because this x comes here, you are left with log of log x. This is what you get here. Now differentiating it with respect to x here. So when I differentiate it with respect to x, what will you have? It's 1 by u into du by dx. Again I'll have to use the uv formula in this case. So when you use the uv formula, what will you get? X into log of log x. What rule will I apply here? The chain rule. So what is log of log x here? It's 1 by log x, okay, because differentiation of log x is nothing but 1 by x here into d by dx of log x, okay, plus what will you get here? Log of log x into differentiation of x. What is differentiation of x? That's nothing but 1. So you have it as 1 by u into du by dx you have here. Now it is x into 1 by log x into differentiation of log x. What is differentiation of log x? It's nothing but 1 by x plus log of log x. This is what you have here. So your x and x, it gets cancelled here. So you're left with du by dx is equal to, when you cross multiply, you will have it as u into 1 by log x plus log of log x. This is what you have here. So what is your u equal to here? Du by dx is equal to, u is nothing but log, okay, so here if you see, u is equal to log x the whole power x. This is what you get here. U is equal to log x the whole power x into 1 by log x plus log of log x, okay. So here this is what you have here. This is your du by dx. The next step is to find out what is v. What is your v equal to here? X power log x. Now here again you will have to apply log both sides in this case. So applying log both sides, what will you get? Log v is equal to log of x power log x. This is what you get here. So what is this log of x power log x? Again you will be using the same rule here. Log of m power n is equal to n log m. This is what you have here. So how do I write it here? It becomes log x, okay, this n is nothing but log x here, into log m. So what is into log m? That's nothing but your log x itself. So you're left with log x into log x. What is log x into log x? It's nothing but log x the whole square. So you can differentiate it with respect to x here. So when you differentiate it, what will I get? 1 by v into dv by dx is equal to 2 into log x into differentiation of log x. What is differentiation of log x? It's nothing but 1 by x, which is equal to 2 log x divided by x. So what is your dv by dx equal to? When you cross multiply, you will have it as v into 2 log x by x. What is your v equal to here? V is equal to x power log x into 2 log x divided by x. This is what you have here. So finally we will write what is your dy by dx here. What is your dy by dx equal to? Log x the whole power x into 1 by log x plus log of log x plus x power log x into 2 log x divided by x. Okay, so here it's again an easy one only here. So when you differentiate it, be a little careful, because in some places you will be applying the product rule as well as the chain rule. Otherwise you will be applying only the chain rule like we applied here. We applied this one, no, to log x the whole square. How did you differentiate? 2 into log x into differentiation of log x, you wrote it as 1 by x. The 11th question. Okay, again here it's another important question here. Such types can be asked, okay, any trigonometric functions you can have, it can be replaced by any trigonometric functions, and also the power, if you see here, both you may get it as 1 by x or whatever it is. So here it is x cos x the whole power x plus x sin x the whole power 1 by x. So what is that you will have to do here? As I told you, it is sum of two functions here. You will have to split it. Y equal to x cos x the whole power x plus x sin x the whole power 1 by x. U equal to x into cos x the whole power x. V equal to x into sin x the whole power 1 by x. So what is your y equal to here? Y is equal to u plus v. Now what is your dy by dx equal to here? It is du by dx plus dv by dx. This is what you have here. So we'll start with u equal to x cos x the whole power x you get here. Apply log both sides. Got it? So we'll apply log both sides. What will you get here? log u is equal to log of x cos x the whole power x. This is what you get here. So as you know, we know what rule to use here, log of m power n. So I can write it as x log x into cos x. Okay, so here x log of x cos x. This is what you have here. Remember, it's a bracket here, so it is x log of x cos x. Now I can differentiate it with respect to x. When you differentiate it with respect to x, I'll have to use the uv formula here. Okay, so when I differentiate it, what will I get? 1 by u into du by dx is equal to u into, that's nothing but x into differentiation of log of x cos x. How do you differentiate log of x cos x? By using chain rule. How do you use a chain rule here? 1 by, first differentiate log. What is differentiation of log here? You know what is differentiation of log x equal to here? Log x is nothing but equal to 1 by x. So how do I write it here? It's 1 by x cos x into d by dx of whatever is within. What is within here? It's nothing but x cos x you get here, plus log of x cos x into differentiation of x, that's nothing but 1. Got it? Here alone I am applying the chain rule here. Once again I will tell you, differentiation of log is 1 by x cos x into d by dx of x cos x. Now what will happen in the next step? In order to differentiate this, again I will have to use the uv rule. So meanwhile your x and x, it gets cancelled. 1 by cos x into, when I use a uv rule, u into dv by dx. X into differentiation of cos x is what? Minus sin x. So it is minus x sin x plus cos x into differentiation of x, it's nothing but 1 plus log of x cos x. This is what you have here. Okay, it is equal to log of x cos x. Now what is your du by dx equal to? It's equal to u into 1 by cos x into minus x sin x plus cos x plus log of x cos x. What is your u equal to here? U is nothing but equal to log of x cos x the whole power x into, here if you want you can multiply it, I will do it in the last step there, 1 by cos x into minus x sin x plus cos x plus log of x cos x. V is equal to x sin x the whole power 1 by x. Applying log both sides, you will have it as log V is equal to log of x sin x the whole power 1 by x. So log V is equal to, sorry, in this case it is equal to 1 by x into log of x sin x. So here there are two ways of doing it. Either you write it like this and apply this formula. Otherwise I can take this as u and this as v. The product rule I can apply and differentiate it. So differentiating it with respect to x, what will you get? Log v. What is differentiation of log v? 1 by v into dv by dx is equal to 1 by x into differentiation of log of x sin x you get here. So what is differentiation of log of x sin x here? Again you will have to apply the chain rule here. When you apply the chain rule, what will you get? 1 by x sin x, differentiation of log is what? 1 by x sin x into d by dx of x sin x into d by dx of x sin x, that is your x sin x, plus log of x sin x into differentiation of x. What is differentiation of 1 by x here? You know what is differentiation of 1 by x. What is differentiation of 1 by x equal to here? It is equal to minus 1 divided by x squared, you know. So I have written it as minus 1 divided by x squared. You understood? Okay. So here in this case, I am using only the uv formula here. I am not using, I told you, you can do it by this, that's all. Okay. Now it is equal to 1 by x into 1 by x is what? 1 by x squared sin x into d by dx of x sin x. So what is d by dx of x sin x here? It's nothing but uv. So how will you differentiate it here? Okay, it is x into differentiation of sin x is what? Cos x plus sin x into differentiation of x is what? It's nothing but 1. Okay. Now here plus into minus is nothing but minus here. It's minus 1 by x squared into log of x sin x. Now what's the next step? You will have to cross multiply that v there. dv by dx is equal to v into 1 by x squared sin x into x cos x plus sin x minus 1 by x squared into log of x sin x you get. What is your v equal to here? Your v is equal to x sin x the whole power 1 by x. So you are left with 1 by x squared sin x into x cos x plus sin x minus 1 by x squared into log of x sin x you get. So what is your dy by dx equal to here? Your dy by dx is equal to the first one. I have just substituted here x cos x the whole power x into 1 by cos x into minus x sin x plus cos x plus log of x cos x you get here plus x sin x the whole power 1 by x into 1 by x squared sin x into x cos x plus sin x minus 1 by x squared into log of x sin x. This is what you get here. So it is x cos x the whole x. When you multiply it, what will you get? Minus x sin x by cos x plus cos x by cos x plus log of x cos x you have here. Okay, that's separate because when you multiply it's only with this term here plus log of x cos x plus what's the next one? Plus x into sin x the whole power 1 by x. When I multiply this, you're left with x cos x divided by x squared sin x plus when you multiply this, what will you get? Sin x divided by x squared sin x. Now here it's minus 1 by x squared log x sin x, log of x sin x. So you know this is nothing but tan x. Here if you see it gets cancelled. Here if you see 1x and x gets cancelled. Here again your sin and sin gets cancelled. So what's the final? So it is x cos x the whole power x into minus x tan x plus 1 plus log of x cos x plus x sin x the whole power 1 by x into 1 by x cot x plus 1 by x squared minus 1 by x squared into log of x sin x. You understood here? So do it step by step and carefully you will get the answer also very easily here. Got it? Yes. Now here we'll go over to the next one here. So what's the next one you have here? 12th question. X power y plus y power x equal to 1. This is what you get here. So here instead of giving it as y, they have given it as 1 in this case, and your u is equal to x power y. Earlier it was only in terms of x, but from here onwards you will have implicit cases here, that is in terms of x and y. So you will take u is equal to x power y and v is equal to y power x. So what is your u plus v here? Actually here it is equal to 1. I need to differentiate it with respect to x here. So what will you get here? Your du by dx plus dv by dx. Differentiation of 1 will give you nothing but equal to 0. Now applying log both sides. How do you get here? Applying log both sides, what will you get? U is equal to x power y. So applying log both sides, your log u is equal to log of x power y. So log of x power y, how can you write it here? You can write it as y into log x, because log of m power n is what? N log m. So it is nothing but y log x you get. Differentiating it with respect to x. So when you differentiate it with respect to x, what will you get? 1 by u into du by dx is equal to, again I will have to apply the uv formula here. So you know the uv formula, what is it? D by dx of u into v is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx you get. So here it's y into differentiation of log x is nothing but 1 by x plus log x into differentiation of y is nothing but dy by dx. So what will you get here? Your du by dx is equal to, cross multiplying, you will have it as u into y by x plus log x into dy by dx. What is your u equal to here? It's nothing but x power y. Substituting it, you will get this answer. Now the second part. What is your second part here? V equal to y power x. Now we'll apply log both sides. Now when I apply log both sides, what will I get here? Log v is equal to log y power x, which is equal to, again it is x log y. Okay. So when I differentiate it, again I will have to use the uv formula here, because you have got it as x into log y, where your y is said to be a function of x. Now differentiating it with respect to x, we'll see what you have here. So what will you get here? Log v is equal to x into log y. So I told you you'll have to apply again uv formula in this case. 1 by v into dv by dx is equal to x into u into dv by dx. What is your dv by dx? That's nothing but differentiation of log y. What is differentiation of log y here? It's nothing but 1 by y into differentiation of y. What will you have? It's nothing but dy by dx plus log y into differentiation of x. What is differentiation of x? That's nothing but equal to 1. You understood? Okay. Now cross multiply this v here. dv by dx is equal to v into x by y dy by dx plus log y. What is your v equal to here? It's nothing but y power x into x by y dy by dx plus log y equal to 0. Got it? So you have got what is dv by dx, what is du by dx. You know the relation connecting it. It's nothing but your du by dx plus dv by dx is equal to 0. Remember, you will have to find out dy by dx. That's my ultimate case here. So we'll just substitute here. Your dy by dx I have substituted. Your dv by dx I have substituted. After that, we'll just multiply it here. When I multiply, it is x power y into y by x plus x power y log x into dy by dx plus y power x into x by y dy by dx plus y power x into log y, which is equal to 0. Now here if you see this x, when it goes to the numerator, I can write it as x power minus 1. So what will you get? You will have it as x power y minus 1. Can I write it like that? That's what I have written here as y x power y minus 1 plus x power y log x into dy by dx. The same way here again in this case to the numerator you will have it as y power minus 1 here. So it is y power x minus 1 into x into dy by dx plus y power x into log y equal to 0. So I told you I need to find what is your dy by dx. So dy by dx alone I will keep it to the left hand side. The remaining terms, the terms whatever I circle, I am going to take it to the right hand side. So when you take dy by dx common, you are left with x power y into log x plus y power x power y minus it is x power y minus 1 into log x you have here. It's x power y minus 1 into log x plus y power x minus 1 into x. This is what you have here, which is equal to, taking it to the other side, x power y into log x plus y power x minus 1 into x. Taking it to the other side, it's minus x power y minus 1. Taking it to the other side, it's minus y power x into log y. So what is your dy by dx equal to? Dy by dx is nothing but this divided by this. So what will you get? Minus x, what will you have here? X power y minus 1 by minus y power x log y divided by x power y log x plus y power x minus 1 into x. This is what you have here. So you just take the minus sign outside. You are left with what? Y into x power y minus 1 plus y power x into log y divided by x power y log x plus y power x minus 1 into x. That's all. Got it? So here this is an implicit function. We are differentiating using the logarithmic differentiation. Got it? So you'll have to be a little careful when you write this step here, dy by dx. Don't forget to write what is your dy by dx here. Okay. The 14th question, cos x the whole power y is equal to cos y the whole power x. Again it's an implicit function here. In terms of x and y you have applying log both sides. Okay, when I apply log both sides, what will you get? Log of cos x the whole power y equal to log of cos y the whole power x you will get here. So this can be written as y log of cos x equal to x into log of cos y. So what will I do here? Again I will have to apply the uv formula both sides. That's nothing but your d by dx of uv. The same story you will get here, u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. This is what you have here. Now differentiating it, y into differentiation of log of cos x. How will you differentiate log of cos x here? By using chain rule. What will you write here? 1 by cos x into differentiation of cos x. What is differentiation of cos x? It's nothing but minus sin x. Got it? So here it is a plus, what is the next one? Log cos x into differentiation of y. What is it? It's nothing but dy by dx. I am using the product rule here. Got it? Equal to. The same way when I apply the product rule, what will you get? It's x into differentiation of log cos y. What is differentiation of log cos y? 1 by cos y. Okay, differentiation of log into differentiation of cos y is what? Minus sin y into differentiation of y. Here is the place generally we make a mistake. Your y is a function of x, therefore you will have to write it as into dy by dx. It's nothing but applying the chain rule. That's all. I'll repeat it. Differentiation of log cos y is what? Differentiation of log first 1 by cos y into differentiation of cos y is what? Minus sin y into differentiation of y is what? Dy by dx plus log of cos y into differentiation of x is nothing but 1. This is what you get here. So minus sin by, so here it is equal to, okay, so you have this you have got, so here if you see minus sin by cos is what? Minus tan. So I have written it as minus tan x plus log of cos x into dy by dx equal to sin by cos. What is sin by cos? It's nothing but tan. So I can write it as minus x tan y into dy by dx plus log of cos y. This is what you have here. Now log of cos x into dy by dx, taking this to the left hand side, you will have it as plus x tan y into dy by dx. I am taking all the dy by dx terms together, nothing else, equal to log of cos y. When I bring this to the right hand side, it's nothing but plus y tan x. Got it? So here you will take dy by dx common. Dy by dx you will take it common here. Log cos x plus x tan y equal to log of cos y plus y tan x. This is what you get here. So what is your dy by dx equal to? Log of cos y plus y tan x divided by log of cos x plus x tan y. Got it? So here this is your dy by dx for this function. Cos x the whole power y equal to cos y the whole power x. The 15th question, again I'll have to find out what is dy by dx in this case. So here we'll see how we can find out dy by dx here. X into y is equal to e power x minus y. Differentiating it with respect to x. So what rule I'll be using here again? The uv formula here. So what is your uv formula? Du by dr, it is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. This is what you get here. So we'll see what we get when you differentiate it. X into differentiation of y, that's nothing but dy by dx plus y into differentiation of x. What is differentiation of x? It's nothing but 1 equal to, what is differentiation of e power x? You know what is differentiation of e power x? That's nothing but e power x itself. So it is only e power x. But here I'll have to apply the chain rule because you have it as e power x minus y. So how do I write it here? It is equal to differentiation of e power x minus y is nothing but e power x minus y into d by dx of x minus y. This is what you have here. d by dx of x minus y. So how do I write here? X into dy by dx plus y equal to e power x minus y into differentiation of x is what? 1 minus differentiation of y is what? Dy by dx. Now I have just multiplied these terms here. E power x minus y minus e power x minus y into dy by dx. Got it? So here, as I told you earlier, we will group all the dy by dx terms to one side and the remaining terms to the other side. So when I group it, what will you get? X dy by dx. Taking this to the other side, you will have it as plus e power x minus y into dy by dx equal to e power x minus y. When I bring this to the other side, you will have it as minus y. Got it? Okay. So here you take dy by dx common. You are left with x plus e power x minus y equal to e power x minus y minus y. This is what you get here. So what is your dy by dx equal to? E power x minus y minus y. This comes to the denominator. So it is x plus e power x minus y. So here I can simplify this. What is this equal to here? It's nothing but xy. If you see the question, you will know. So here it is actually xy equal to. So how do I write here? It's xy minus y divided by x plus xy equal to y can be taken common here into x minus 1 divided by x into 1 plus y. This is what you have here. Got it? Yes. So here now the 16th question here. Okay, the 16th question, it's not with respect, it's not an implicit function here but a slightly different one, but it's very easy. Okay, find the derivative of the function given by f of x is equal to 1 plus x into 1 plus x squared into 1 plus x power 4 into 1 plus x power 5, and I'll have to find out f dash of 1. There are two ways of doing it. One is what? You can multiply these polynomials here. Okay, you will get a polynomial, you can differentiate it, substitute x is equal to 1 and then get the answer. Okay, that is one way of doing it. Another way of doing it is, I'll have to apply, what is it here, log here, okay, I'll have to apply log both sides, then differentiate it with respect to x, and then substitute your x is equal to 1. So, I am going to go do by the second method here. So, given f of x is equal to 1 plus x into 1 plus x squared into 1 plus x power 4 into 1 plus x power 5, applying log both sides, what will you get? Log f of x is equal to, when I apply here, you know what is log of mn, what is log of m into n equal to? It is equal to log m plus log n. This is what you get here. So, it is equal to log of 1 plus x plus log of 1 plus x squared plus log of 1 plus x power 4 plus log of 1 plus x power 5. This is what you have here. Now, I will have to differentiate it with respect to x. So, differentiating it with respect to x, what will you get? Log f of x is what? 1 by f of x into d by dx of f of x you will get, which is equal to differentiation of log x. You know what is differentiation of log x? It's nothing but 1 by x, you all know here. So, I can write it as log x is nothing but 1 by 1 plus x plus log of 1 plus x squared. When you differentiate that, what will you get? 1 by 1 plus x squared into d by dx of this 1 plus x squared. Don't forget to write that, it's the chain rule. Plus 1 log of 1 plus x power 4. When you differentiate it, what will you get? 1 by 1 plus x power 4 into d by dx of 1 plus x power 4. Got it? Plus log of 1 plus x power 5. What will you get? 1 by 1 plus x power 5 into d by dx of 1 plus x power it's actually 8, I think. Okay, so here if you see, you have it as x power 8 in this case. Here again if you see, it's x power 4. So here if you see, it's x power 8. Okay, so here in this case it is equal to x power 8. So you will have it as 1 by 1 plus x plus 1 by 1 plus x squared into 2x plus 1 by 1 plus x power 4 into, what is this one here? 1 plus x power 4 is for differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of x power 4, you will have it as 4x cube plus 1 by 1 plus x power 8 into d by dx of 1 plus x power 8. What is d by dx of 1? It's nothing but 0. What is the differentiation of x power 8? It's nothing but 8x power 7. Got it? So here when I cross multiply, you are left with f of x into 1 by 1 plus x plus 2x divided by 1 plus x squared plus 4x cube divided by 1 plus x power 4 plus 8x power 7 divided by 1 plus x power 8. This is what you get here. So, what is your f of x? Your f of x is nothing but the question itself. 1 plus x into 1 plus x squared into 1 plus x power 4 into 1 plus x power 8 into 1 by 1 plus x plus 2x by 1 plus x squared plus 4x cube divided by 1 plus x power 4 plus 8x power 7 divided by 1 plus x power 8. Now, I need to find out what is f dash of 1. What is f dash of 1? When x is equal to 1, substitute it. 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 2 by 1 plus 1 plus 4 by 1 plus 1 plus 8 by 1 plus 1. So, here if you see, when you multiply, you will have it as 16 into, here if you see 3, 7, here if you see, what will you get? It's 15 by 2. 2 and this gets cancelled. 8 into 15 is nothing but equal to 120. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 2. It's 1 by 2 plus 2 by 2 plus 4 by 2 plus 8 by 2 you will get here. When you add, you will have it as 15 by 2. 2 and 8 it gets cancelled. So, the answer is equal to 120. Got it? The 17th question, differentiate this polynomial in 3 ways. The product of these two polynomials, x squared minus 5x plus 8 into x squared plus 7x plus 9 in 3 ways mentioned below. So, what is the first one? By using product rule. The second one by expanding the product to obtain a single polynomial by logarithmic differentiation, and do they give the same answer? So, we will see if they give the, so first one by using the product rule. You all know what's a product rule here. Y equal to x squared minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9 you get. So, differentiating it with respect to x, what will you get? Dy by dx is equal to, it is x squared minus 5x plus 8 into d by dx of this function plus this into, that is your x cube plus 7x plus 9 into d by dx of x squared minus 5x plus 8. So, what will you get here? It is x squared minus 5x plus 8 into differentiation of this is what? 3x squared plus 7 plus 0. So that only I have written it as 3x squared plus 7 plus x cube plus 7x plus 9 into differentiation of this is what? 2x minus 5 plus 0. So that only I have written it as 2x minus 5. Now we will just multiply these two polynomials here. What will you get? 3x power 4 plus 7x squared minus 15x cube plus minus 35x you will get here plus 24x squared plus 56 you have plus what's the next one here? 2x power 4. Here again if you see it's minus 5x cube plus 7x into 2x is what? 14x squared. 7x into minus 5 it's minus 35x. 9 into 2x it's 18x. 9 into minus 5 it's nothing but minus 45. So you will have it as 3x power 4 plus 2x power 4 is what? 5x power 4 minus 15 minus 5 will give me minus 20x cube here. Next is what? 7x squared plus 24x squared is what? 31x squared. 31x squared plus 14x squared is nothing but 45x squared. And minus 35x, where else you have minus 35x, it's minus 70x. Minus 70x plus 18x is what? Minus 52x. And the last one is 56 minus 45, it's nothing but 11. So by using the product rule, you have differentiated this function. Next, what is that? By expanding it as a single polynomial. So expanding it as a single polynomial is what? In the first step itself, I'll have to multiply these two polynomials and then differentiate it with respect to x. We'll see if we get the same answer. Okay, so here if you see I have multiplied x squared into x cube, it's x power 5, 7x cube plus 9x squared minus 5x power 4 minus 35x squared minus 45x, 8x cube plus 8x cube plus 56x plus 72. Now here we'll simplify it here. X power 5 minus 5x power 4, 7x cube plus 8x cube will give you what? 15x cube. 9 minus 35 is what? Minus 26x squared. Minus 45 plus 56 will give you what? Minus 11x plus 72. Now you have brought it as a single polynomial and you can differentiate it with respect to x. So what is your dy by dx equal to? 5x power 4 minus 20x cube plus 45x squared minus 52x plus 11. Are they both equal now? These both are equal by both the methods. Now only one more method is left. Okay, the third one by logarithmic differentiation. So here we'll apply log both sides. Your log y is equal to log of mn. What is log of mn? I can write it as log y equal to log of x squared minus 5x plus 8 plus log of x cube plus 7x plus 9 you get. So when I differentiate it, you will have it as 1 by y into dy by dx equal to, again I'll have to apply the chain rule here. So what's that? Actually, you know what is differentiation of log x. What is differentiation of log x equal to here? It is equal to 1 by x. So how do I write it here? 1 by x squared minus 5x plus 8 into d by dx of this term. What is this term here? X squared minus 5x plus 8 plus what is the next one you get here? Differentiation of log. What will I have here? 1 by x cube plus 7x plus 9 into d by dx of this term. What is this term you get here? X cube plus 7x plus 9. This is what you have here. So what is your dy by dx is equal to? Meanwhile, I'll just cross multiply here. It is 1 by x squared minus 5x plus 8. Here if you see, when you differentiate it, you will have it as 2x minus 5 plus 8. When you differentiate it, it is 0 plus 1 by x cube plus 7x plus 9 into differentiation of x cube is what? 3x squared plus 7. Differentiation of 9 will give you nothing but 0. Now what is your y? Your y is nothing but the question itself. X squared minus 5x plus 8 into. So I have just rewritten it as 2x minus 5 divided by x squared minus 5x plus 8 plus 3x squared plus 7 divided by x cube plus 7x plus 9. This is how I have written here. Got it? Now this I have written as it is. I can just cross multiply by taking the LCM here. When I cross multiply, you will have it as 2x minus 5 into x cube plus 7x plus 9 plus 3x squared plus 7 into x squared minus 5x plus 8 divided by x squared minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9. So what happens here? These two terms and this term, it gets cancelled. So I can just multiply these terms here. I have just written this here. When you multiply it, 2x power 4 plus 14x squared plus 18x. Next is what? Minus 5x cube minus 35x minus 45. Okay, so here we got it. Next is what? 3x power 4 minus 15x cube. Next is what? Minus, what will you get? Sorry, plus 24x square. And the next one, 7x cubed, 7 into minus 35x, 7 into 8 is what? 56. Now, 2x power 4 plus 3x power 4 is what? 5x power 4. Here again, minus 5x cube and you have got minus 15. So, it is minus 20x cube plus 45x squared. What is it? 14x squared you have here. And the next one is what? 24 is what? 38. 38 plus 7 will give you what? 45x squared. Next is what? 18 minus 35x. What will you get? It's minus 17x you have here. Minus 17 minus 35x is what? Minus 52x. And the last term is what actually here? You have got plus minus 45 plus 56. That's nothing but plus 11. So by all the three methods, whatever you do, they are the same.